Tired of lawnmowers that won't start? Grass trimmers that sputter and die? At Varietech AU, we help beginners become confident DIY mechanics, one repair at a time. Welcome to your ultimate small engine repair tutorial, the place where beginners become confident and DIYers save time and money. Learn step by step how to fully rebuild a carburetor, test ignition coils, perform pressure testing, replace gasket and fuel system, and get your gear running like new, all with the tools you probably have. Our hands-on guide will walk you through every step, clear and made simple to follow for real beginners. Whether it's your lawnmower, trimmer, or any small petrol engine, our step-by-step guide will help you bring it back to life and keep it running for years to come. With years of hands-on experience, we've tackled everything from simple spark plug changes to full engine rebuilds. We will share it to you so you can do it too. From routine maintenance and tricky fixes, we've got you covered. And we make sure we place you in a first-person view so you can clearly see and follow what we're doing. You will learn how to diagnose problems, choose the right tools, and make repairs safely and confidently, even if it's your very first time. Why pay 100 for repairs when you can do it yourself for a fraction of the cost and get the satisfaction of saying, "Yes, I fixed it." If you're ready to take control of your repairs and save money, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new repair video tutorial and a small engine restoration. No experience? No problem. We'll guide you every step of the way so you can work with confidence. Join thousands of DIYers who have fixed their machine by following our video tutorials. Start today because the best repair is the one that you can do it yourself. This is Joel from Varietech AU. Thanks for watching and see you in my next repair video.